Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make Parmigiana di zucchini. Cut the zucchini ends and slice them thin. Sprinkle salt on top and let it drain for a half hour. Pat them dry and place them in a baking pan. Brush with olive oil. Bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Flip them over and bake it again for 20 more minutes. Add a layer of tomato sauce in the bottom of a roasting pan. Add half of the zucchini and cover with a layer of tomato sauce. Spread half of the cheese on top and add the rest of the zucchini. Cover with the rest of the tomato sauce and the rest of the cheese. Cover the pan with aluminum foil and bake at 350 for 45 minutes. Uncover and bake again for 10 more minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.